OKX. And this is how you can transfer USDT from your OKX to BYBIT or to any exchange. It's very simple. What you need to do is come to where your USDT is, whether the exchange or the Web3 wallet. Alright, so in this case, I'm going to be using the Web3 wallet or even the 2 if possible. Now, as you can see, this is your USDT. What you need to do is come to click on it. Let's say you have your USDT here. I currently do not have any USDT because the region where I am is not supported. OKX is not supported, so that's the reason why I don't use OKX. So what you need to do is just to click on send. Click on send, and the address, what you need to do is just to paste the address. I think this one says enter wallet address or ENS domain name. So you paste the wallet address in which you are sending it to. Very, very important. And then you send. So if you are also using the exchange, let's switch to the OKX exchange. What you need to do is come to assets, and then you see you find your USDT here. That is if your USDT is on the US and OKX exchange. They come to USDT, it's the same procedure. Alright, you see available. You see, because as you can see, according to the terms of service, we cannot provide services for you. So because of the region I am, so that is why. So but it is the same procedure. So if you are using the exchange, if you are sending USDT, make sure to copy your wallet address, because check if it's also asking for your memo. It's very important you insert the memo. All right, so that's how you can send from here to your US to any exchange. So if you are sending to BYBIT, what you need to do is head over to your BYBIT. Remember, you are sending from here. Is going to ask you for the wallet address. So how can you get the wallet address? Let's say you are transferring to BYBIT now. Let's head over to our BYBIT. Okay, now this is our BYBIT. Now this is the BYBIT. Now, if you want to send your USDT from the OKX to your BYBIT, what you need to do is come to your profile and come to deposit. Come to assets, come to deposit. You click on deposit to take you to ask you which of the deposit you want to make. Choose coin to deposit. You see here we have BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Hamster, or USDC. So if you do not see the one you want to, just click here and search for the token you want to deposit. But for the sake of this tutorial, USDT, you can just click on USDT, or you can search for it. Search for USDT. So this is, so we have USDT.e. So make sure you know the one you are sending. All right, so click on USDT, and it's going to ask you choose a chain you get. So if you are sending from OKX, if you are sending from OKX, I think from the Web3, it's going to ask you for, I think it's this one, US Ethereum ERC20. So you choose which of the chain you are coming from, or are you coming from Tonkeeper? This one is Ton, that's from Tonkeeper, the app Tonkeeper. So if you are sending from Ton, you choose this one. If you are sending from AP Tos, you choose this one. So if you are sending from OP Mainnet or Polygon, POS, BSC, so if you are sending from, this one is from Solana. So this one is from Ethereum. This one is TRC20. So it's mostly either of these two. So make sure you look at the USDT you are sending from. Either if it is from TRC20, you click this one. If it's from Ethereum ERC20, you click on this one. And if, let's say, if it's Ethereum ERC, then all you need to do is just to acknowledge and then copy the wallet address, and then you send. Finish. Like this one, there is no memo. There's no memo. So let's say you are sending from TRC. Let's see if there's memo. You see there's no memo. So let's say from Solana. Let's say please confirm that you are depositing USDT direct from the Solana network. Mismatched address information will result in permanent loss of your assets. So make sure you confirm. See, there's no memo. right? So I'm just saying for the memo, just in case you see memo in yours, make sure you input it. It is very important. So what you need to do is just to copy this address and go and paste it. Let's say this one is ARC20. So what you need to do is just copy this address and then paste it on whichever exchange you are using, OKX, Tonkeeper, Solana, or whichever exchange or Web3 wallet you are using. Just copy this address. This is your receiving address. All right, very important. And then paste and then you send. So just give it some time. In less than 5 or 10 minutes, your USDT will be on your BYBIT. All right. So if you also want to know how to trade your USDT on BYBIT, you can find it in our YouTube pages there already, or just click the video appearing on your screen, and that's how you can trade your USDT. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel for more educational tips like this. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next video.